Lengye kungam sa thari ne pekalo ngi dong kya da shibdu ramne chakji le phenda chukji ko da ve chepa ni shu ge dang chilo ngi dong ni sa ji le daw thong be che chukji resta ve sangyu le rim te kon shu gi yin thari gi le rim dina chino khon sa kyam gyön chim bu chaw ki khole cha du gi zada ne dang she be ju shi to leng je be kor ta dele men khang tu to gi mye rim ngong go gi men khap gya gyu le thön thati gi chöta na be kor Pemi shiwe komdwe bandamni necho doje den to jorwar sane gyagar pe den gyabgyur chogbe pepsu nelen sapkyu shubi kor Pande kasha ne pemi dikzu ki lekung kha ki zilo nido ni saji ne nido ni sanyi le nyunzi charbi la kasha ki gyamyer nangyu ki lerim teshin konzu na ve kor che shugihin lerim muti sigro na Khasan resa ngimengin semda so tine khang ki koti shuden tar pemilana mebe uti chino konsekyam gyon che bucho ta kole namshi chadu sungyob tang koryu legi wa thajin shunuma greater thanbagla tanashi chilo nyudon dulor shide sengda shenyong ke William Momongcho Arctic Linkui ki tseri batachin Susan Natalia la tanashi tendu tseri bakachi dalhen to kole chadu ki zada nedan shebi joshi to toling ze yobre kaptet lerim tsogyon shuke Daniela ki chino konsekyam gyon chimbu cho tan Germany sarkyo pa France Alt la ki champe nganchu kimshi chipute kole namshi gyurdo tan teve zamni yong la shingkul Our only home, a climate appeal to the world, shebe peteb nang konskam gyon chimpu choki, koryu legyu watajin greater thanbagla la sungtin sebe kortan teve, kandi shu kap komkangi choki, shunge shi ki koryu sungyob kor samlo tongki yobat kote chungkap, nyunde yumenke chungche sungbatan te, shunge toyne zamling chi dang nganzo maungbe kor laksam namda ki tukur nang shi yobani, reba chimpu shi yunbe, takzen shi yinba ka zeshin, tada nganzo dromi yongzo la samlo tongyobe tula papyoba ka pepson.
When I heard the young ladies, you see, the thinking about environment or these things, I really admire. It is really encouraging now from a young community. A younger member of humanity now showing genuine sense of concern of our future, of our planet. It is a very, very hopeful sign. So now, question is why? Our brain, wonderful. But we, you see, too much sort of thinking. Firstly, we ourselves, human being. Secondly, then our nation, our country. Then finally, my family. So eventually, you see, thinking very small circle. The reality, individual human beings' life depend on the community or family. The family, their life depend on the community. Now today's world, you see, the entire 7 billion human beings are one human community. So now time comes. We have to think entire humanity. The ancient time, a small circle, we. That now, according to this reality, now you see thinking we, small circle, is now unrealistic. So 7 billion human beings, you see, entire our life depend each other.
Teji Sweden ni yimbe Koryu legi wa thajin Greater Thunberg lagi chino khonsa kyamgyon che buchawa ki Koryu sungyob che gyabgyor tan kule kyon nam war mirap sarbe shwen ge shi kimbi chane thukje she shu batan ta lone phabgi khebar yorung thumong ki miyu ni Koryu sungyob che shin yob te chikba yimba sungsong.
Well, first of all, I would like to say thank you for hosting this event, and thank you to everyone who's taking part, and thank you to Your Holiness for being such a loud advocate for environmental protection and environmental action. I can say as a younger generation, we appreciate that very much. We are eternally grateful that you are standing up for us, not only for us, but for the future of the entire humanity and for the entire planet. And also, of course, thank you for your letter and for your support. It means a lot. And yes, although we may be very different in terms of age span and many other things, we share the same goal. We share a common goal, and that is to protect our planet and life on Earth and humanity. And so, thank you once again, Your Holiness.
Shenyang Khonskyam Gyön Chenpo Choki Koryu Legyu wa Greater Thunberg Nashi Kole Chadwe ki Zada Netang Khor Mangso Tue Koto Gyache Pe Gyo Bata Zabulin ki Kanyo na Mi Suyo Ba Yimbe Nganzo Nyoyo Netang la Shikbe Tone Kanye Setup So Pe Gyo Kor Ka Pepson.
Previously, when we face some problem, difficulties, then according to your own religion, faith, God, or Buddha, that's not sufficient. We must act according to the situation, not sufficient. God, Buddha saying that, not sufficient. We ourselves, as far as Buddhism is concerned, Buddha mentioned, you human being, you are your own master. Things depend on your thinking, your action.
Nitu reza pasan yin dele menkang tu to yim ngirim ngongo ki menkap kya yuyi le dun thadi ki chweda nang tu kapter pemi dikzu ki pande si kyong bumram palo san sengge chota pande thöden ka le chokyong wanju cho ki chu deyu nambe thadi le dun kha la sikship nang tu thadi le dun nang zo maung par menkap kyang ko chu kap khap kya se khangku ta mi ku se khangba dang na shin khap kya sa bi jesu tokship che nya khang che thadi nang tu pata shen ya ne ngongo dan je bi shugo kha la thadi thuzang yue me so re tu dele menkang ki member tinsi jindu la ki kangra zone na nem ngongo menkap gyakse ki menkang sum thakdem na bi thesu gyagar shung ki menkang kha ni ta shungde membe menkang khongsu dasa dele menkang yang tamtön chung yo ba sung yo bre
shungde ma yimbe chopasta gogi ani shungde chimit lo office ne tamya di dele menkang ki chesha andi chewne singa zu dilia tuji cheje na zu sibne shije da chik khambal ba sumchi Chilolia, Kusiche, Kapjab Sache, Kapjab Sajianji, other than that, so both the unique magic.
Tengachinda Chukji Bethe Ning in Sugar Dharamsala ne Paubu Sanzam Natu Lapar, Pedunche Shive Komdu Nanke, Tenzi Tundublata, Chandigarh ne Komdu to Yamshu Nanke, Tenzi Nimala Namni, Tawani Ha Komdu ki Tuntangome, Resalhabe in Yagar Bihar Ngade Natu Yobe, Nejo Doji Dentu Jortu. Kapter himbe zadu sobatam bod gaya chöden zingyon henzo geji nambe chözo gyagar genyo gendu ki de sone pepsu nelen sabge shuna yubata shibe komtre ban namni chanju chöden chöme na charte shilu pemi chedo melam kyo na du teje chizi düngin Bihar dan Jharkhand Chhattisgarh che ki sane gyagar pedön kyapgyor sobe chozo Kushab Sudesh Kumar Chandravanshi la ki khong namni nelen tha Kushab Sudesh Kumar la ki Tungyur wo Sargyol Henzo shi Gongzo nante Tenzu Tunru la ta Tenzi Nima la ki Paubyo Sanzam Natu la bar Pedön che shibe komdre nangyo be Tenzun sum korsung yobre. Pande Kasha ne Pemi Dikzu ki Lekung Kha ki Zilo Nido Nisaji ne Nido Nisanyi le Nyunzi Charbyu Kha la Tukship tante Kasha ki Gyamyen nangyo yi Lerim Teshin Taring ne Gozu na yobre. Taring Lerim Gonzo ki Tomar Pemi Dikzu Chiri Lekung ki Zilo Nido Nisaji ne Nido Nisanyi le Nyunzi la Tukship tanta Gyamyen na yobre. Pande Kasha ki Tukship tan Gyamyen Drupsam Thame Kantre Teshin Pemi Ma Chidul Henzo ne Dawsumbe Trezo Kap Tolen Tache Tempem Nangyo yobre. Taringi Sangyu Lerim Tizam Yindiga Pyogi Nyinti ne Gyangsin Shuwe Lerim Kachazang Shamki Tazi Do Sigyu Yobe Tedyon Konja Naruna.